select gear 1 for me. Keep to the left. Slow down more, slow down more, slow down more. Right guys, 99% of learners or new drivers will definitely fail on this turn that I'm going to show you, yeah. So that's what happened with Phoebe in the last mock test, yeah? Okay, so it's a turn on a bend. It can be quite confusing unless you're a experienced driver. We're going to cover this from 3 different directions, so you guys totally understand it, yeah. And you're not gonna, like, you know, when you go for your test, Phoebe, yeah, you're not gonna remember every single turn, yeah. But the thing is, what is going to help you, yeah, and you guys who have got your test coming up, is listening carefully to the instructions. So if you hear the instructions at the end of the road, turn right or left, what's coming up?
Bend or roundabout. Turning.
Yeah, a turning. So what kind? So what would you have to do there if you hear the examiner say to you at the end of the road, turn right or turn left? What kind of road is that? Just by listening to the instructions there.
Oh, like a main.
Like a main. You've done that. What does that mean? What are you trying to say?
Like a main road. Like you're gonna come at a junction where you're gonna have to turn, either to the left or to the right into a.
That's it. Would you have to give way there?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Yeah. That's what I was trying to get at. Yeah. So as soon as you hear at the end of a road, you should be thinking, yeah, I've got to give way here. Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So if you're on the main road and the examiner says turn left, or take this first turning on the left, what are you thinking?
Can I give way? You're gonna need to give way.
You need to give way there as well. So you just, like I said, so listen carefully to this. You're on the main road, yeah, and the examiner says to you,
you have priority.
That's it. Good. So you can think,
okay, again.
There we go. Okay.
I'm deep in this too much.
Right. Now listen to this one again. Now the examiner says you're on the main road. The examiner says turn right, please. What are you thinking straight away?
Well, you go for a check for cars that are coming.
That's it. Good. Yeah. So as soon as you hear turn right, you got to think, oh, oncoming cars. Where are they coming from? Yeah. You understand that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so listen out carefully to the instructions. That's going to help you, because like I said, you're not going to remember every single turning, every single road. Yeah. Right. Are we ready? Yeah. So we're going to, like I said, cover this turn from 3 different approach from the 3 different ways we can. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna. I think the first one we're going to do is going to be the easiest. Then we're going to emerge out of the junction, and then the final one is the direction where everyone approaches and messes up, like you did on the previous mock test. Sorry to keep reminding you about that.
That's alright.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
So I'll move off when you're ready, please. So after this bend, the turning's coming up. So if you could turn left, please. Good. Do we have to give anyone way here?
No.
That's it, just turn left. Good. Yeah, so like I said, that's probably the easiest way we're going to approach this turn, yeah?
Yeah.
And now, if you could turn right, please. Just going to look for somewhere to turn the car around so we can emerge out of that turn. So this time, we're going to be emerging out here. So we're going to be turning right at the end of the road. So who do you have to give way to here?
The people that are on the road.
Yeah. Well then, you did that in second gear. Which gear would have been better?
First.
That's fine. We did have a good view on approach though. Yeah, it was an open junction, so as long as you did your checks, we didn't fully stop the car there yet because we had a good view, and it was safe to emerge out. Yeah. So do you understand what we've done there from when we approached it to the left and we emerged out as well?
Yeah.
Has it given you way as well?
No, I'm just going to move a bit closer so they can.
Okay, stop it, don't get any closer than this. So you said you want to move closer. Why?
Just in case, because that was reversing, and just
Good
in case
spot.
another.
Okay, move off now. Well then. Right, now we're going to do that turn from the direction where I'd say, like, yeah,
Everyone fails.
everyone messes it up. Okay, so here's the turn. We're going to be turning right. Yeah. So as soon as you hear that, you should be thinking, who do you have to wait for?
The cars coming from the left.
Yeah, oncoming cars. So slow it down. Where are the oncoming cars going to be coming from?
This side.
Yeah. Select gear 1 for me. Keep to the left. Slow down more, slow down more, slow down more. Good. Is there any oncoming cars?
No.
That's where you can go. You don't have to wait for that, man. Remember when we came out of there, we had to give way?
Yeah, that makes sense.
That's it. Good, that's what I wanted to do.
Yeah, okay, I get that.
Good.
I think because the last time, obviously, I did it, I thought it was a junction. But when you explained it and then said go, it makes sense now, because I don't
Park
think
up
there's a
on the left
line.
now. You can explain that after you've parked up there, yeah.
Oh god, I hit the curb. I've not done that in ages. I need a sticker on the back of my car to say, I'm just a girl.
Okay, right. So, yeah, what were you saying about the tin can see signal?
And that, obviously, the first time I did it, I thought it was a junction because of the positioning. But when you explained it,
So,
and you,
so sorry, you know when you say junction, it is a junction. Do
as
you
in
mean a
like,
giveaway?
yeah,
Okay.
I thought, yeah.
Yeah, that's
because
why
I
you're
was-
waiting for the
Yeah.
from the right, yeah.
But when you explained it and you look, when you position, it makes sense why, because you can see that they're waiting for you, and it makes it easier, especially when you look and once you know it's clear, you can then make the turn.
Yep. So, main thing is you totally get it now, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Obviously, the markings on there could be a lot clearer,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. But there's nothing much we can do about that, yeah. But like I said, the keys in listening carefully as well, yeah. Okay. If
Yeah.
you say end of the road, then you know it is a giveaway. If you
Yeah.
say turn right or turn left, yeah, then it's normally you're on the main road turning into a side road. Right. That's it. That's that turn covered. So, any questions on it?
No.
Good. And guys, hopefully that helped. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.